What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge ask you where and what to do with a file before you download it. So normally when you're downloading a file, you normally click on download and the file will automatically start to download. But I'm going to show you how to enable it so that it asks you first what to do and where to save this file. So go ahead and click the Windows icon on the taskbar and you can easily open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Now once you're there, click the three dot on the top right hand side here and you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now once you're in settings, go ahead and click downloads, and here you will see the option that says ask me what to do with each download. Always ask me if I want to save a file or open it without saving. And you just need to toggle this on and you will have this option. I'm going to leave it off and show you what happens when you don't have this on. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to Google here and I'm going to just type download and let's find something to download, right? So let's see. We have download Google Drive, for example. And here you see that it says download Google Drive to desktop. So if I click on that, you see it automatically downloaded, right? So I'm going to stop it right there for a moment. Now let me go back to the settings and let me toggle this on and let's do it once again. So if I go ahead and click download, see what's happened? It's asked me what do I want to do with this file. You can open it, I can save as, and if I go ahead and click save as, you see now it's asking me where to save it, etc, etc. So that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and turn on this option so that you no longer download the file for you, it ask you what to do and where to save it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.